a nice, quiet lunch. One delicious salad niçoise, easy on the anchovies. One bottle of citrus-fortified mineral water. And last but not least, one sugar-fortified cannoli. In fact, let's start with that. Oh, hi there. For a second there, I thought somebody was strangling a trombone.
What, you're gone 2 minutes and you buy something?
I found him on the porch. Is this a customer's parrot?
I don't recognize him. What does that note say?
Please take care of Harpo. I just can't handle him anymore. Oh, poor Harpo, he was abandoned.
Harpo! Harpo!
He knows his name. Do you know your address and phone number?
Pretty girl, hot mama.
My Harpo, you make me blush. Until he gets adopted, I guess he can stay in the clinic.
What about me?
Guess you can stay in the clinic, but cages aren't very big.
No, I mean, what about me adopting him? I've always thought parrots were cool ever since this party I went to in Malibu. The people had a parrot and he could do impersonations and make funny noises. He could have had his own drive time radio show.
Darcy, not all parrots do all that cute, fun stuff. A lot of them just scream and make a mess. I mean, they're a ton of work. They can make great pets, but some of them are very high maintenance, and if you don't pay enough attention to them, they can get pretty rowdy.
Well, Harpo needs a home and I can give him one. He could be like, Darcy,
if you really want him, good luck.
piece of cake.
Feed me, Dumbo. Feed me.
Shh. Speaking of pieces of cake, you've got some on your nose.
Yeah, I know. I'm saving it for later.
This girl Darcy loves to have fun. She was feeling fine and having a good time hanging out on the scene. Mom on a big screen, but she moved her way. She's stacking hay. The nearest town is 12 hours away. Cows are mooing and many roosters crowing. It's not the same. It's not a game. She said goodbye to glamour and fame.
She used to love to hang out and go dancing, go to parties and make important plans, and now she's gotta go clean out the stables. Darcy's wild life is about to turn the tables.
Hey girl, you having fun? Yeah. Say goodbye to life on the run. Welcome to normal child life. What you see is what you get in Darcy's wild life.
Discovery Kids
On NBC.
will be back.
On the next Flight 29 Down,
We're all working our butts off. Please.
everyone has their own way of dealing,
Why is Daly giving me such grief?
Taylor, just do some work, okay?
but everyone has to work together.
She won't do her fair share of work, then she won't get her fair share of food and water.
Flight 29 Down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.
Everyone's going wild for the hit game Madagascar. It's the kickinest, roaringest, flyingest, and bounciest way to get from the zoo to a place that's totally new. Madagascar the game, rated everyone 10 and up. And now launching a new game, Operation Penguin, rated everyone.
Victory!
My friends and I are teaming up for good times. I can get one of the girls from Which in my McDonald's Happy Meal.
Now only at Toys R Us, the mini Cabbage Patch Kids Pop Star Collection.
Welcome to the show.
Mine plays guitar. Mine's the drummer.
They're all dressed up and ready to rock.
Let's get autographs.
Your stars have their own fantastic stage, and it plays great tracks.
Pick me out a name. Yeah.
Light up the show.
Thanks for coming.
Only at Toys R Us. The mini Cabbage Patch Kids Pop Star Collection comes with one mini and stage. Other minis sold separately. Batteries not included.
Look who's dropping in for the holidays. Make your own Frosty the Snowman at Build-A-Bear Workshop and pick up your own Frosty the Snowman DVD.
Everyone Everyone's going wild for the hit game Madagascar. It's the kickinest, roaringest, flyingest, and bounciest way to get from the zoo to a place that's totally new. Madagascar the game, rated everyone 10 and up. And now launching a new game, Operation Penguin, rated everyone.
Victory!
Discovery Kids, let me hear you chat. Chomp chat.
I love my pet because he's really kind and sweet. My pet's my best friend because he never judges me for who I am.
Yeah. Chomp chat. Come on. Bow wow.
And that's Ozzy.
Darcy's Wildlife is back on Discovery Kids on NBC. Ta-da! Harpo, ladies and gentlemen.
You guys should have seen it. Bobby Thomas just stepped in a big thing of mud. Ow! Oh, no way. Check out the African gray.
Isn't he cool, Eli? I just found him today. He was abandoned by his owner. So now he's mine.
Parrots are the best. My cousin had an African gray, just like this, who learned how to whistle Broadway show tunes and could recite the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet.
That's what I'm talking about. That's going on my list right after I teach him his catchphrase. You got that right.
Hey guys, what's going on? Not much. Darcy here just got a new friend.
Oh, cool. I love parrots. I'm just dropping off some flyers for my open night performance at Chuck's Diner next week.
Really? What are you gonna do?
I'm finally gonna try some stand-up comedy. You know, just observations on life. So this morning, I took a picture of a moose in my pajamas. How it got into my pajamas, I'll never know.
Yeah.
Whatever, you know.
I'd go, but my dad and I are going to a conference on pygmy goats.
I'll go. I'd love to see your act.
Really? I was kind of hoping you'd be there for the moral support, but you know, like you don't have to come.
No, I'm telling you. I'm going. I promise.
Thanks. You're a good friend.
Wait, hold. Your mom spent half an hour putting bug spray on you again?
No. Well, yeah, but...
Oh, shoe shopping, huh? You still wear the special ones with the thing in the thing?
It's not shoes. It's Clarence, my angelfish. He died last night.
Oh, cool. Man, I'm really sorry. So this is your way of sending him off, huh?
I'm looking for a place to dig a hole. He was a fine pet. Always loyal and kind. Never made my allergies flare up like a cat or dog would have. Just like swimming around a little pink castle. I'd like taking care of him.
Well then, this is no way to bury a member of your family.
It isn't?
Nope. Leave it to me. I'll take care of the funeral arrangements. Little Clarence here will have a super classy send-off, just the way you would have wanted it.
It's mighty nice of you, Jack. But, you know, I can't pay you.
I know. This one's on the house.
Meet Harpo.
What a beautiful bird. Where did you get him?
I'm adopting him. Isn't that great?
Money, Mom?
Well, he's certainly a chip off the old block. But parrots can be quite a lot of work. I acted in a movie with one once, and he was noisy and messy, and he needed constant attention. Come to think of it, so did my leading man. At least the parrot had talent.
He's smart, too. Say your catchphrase. You got that right? We're still working on that one. Don't worry, Mom. I'm all set with Harpo. That cage is too small for him, so Dr. Adams special ordered a big old one. And in the meantime, all I gotta do is pay lots of attention to him. Otherwise, that will happen, and I will always leave plenty of water out for him, so that will never happen again. Trust me, Mom. Everything will be fine.
If I leave Asheville Manor, I know I must leave behind much that I cherish. But mustn't I follow my true love and go where my heart leads me?
Your mom's movies always make me cry.
Shh. This is the part where she finds out her fiancé was killed in the blimp collision.
And here, in this telegram, I shall find out my destination.
Mayday! Mayday!
People call me the life of the party, 'cause I enjoy a good
little buddy. We need to have a chat. I'm trying my best to take good care of you. I'm giving you all my attention, and you're still being pretty difficult. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Oh, now you're being quiet. Great.
Now, hang in there, Darcy. This is a new arrangement for him, and he may be acting up because he's getting used to you.
I'll stick with it. I mean, Harpo can be so much fun sometimes, but he can also be a pain in the neck.
Oh, parrots can make fabulous pets. Yeah, they're affectionate, smart, loyal companions. Studies have shown that they not only use human language, but they can actually understand it.
They can understand English? Sorry about that whole pain in the neck thing.
As you're learning, owning a parrot can be a big commitment. It can also be a long-term commitment, since an African gray can live to be 70 years old.
70? That's like grandma old. Well, I'll just learn to adjust.
Good.
I'm adjusting, 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 I'm adjusting.
Here's a Darcy's Wild Bite. How do parrots talk? Stay tuned.
Magic can be difficult to master. Here we see Aqua Aurocto, the water spell. I suggest you cast the water spell immediately. Not to worry. I'm sure you'll soon master the magic.
Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, the video game. Rated E10 for ages 10 and up.
iDog, the little dog with the big sound. Whatever your groove, you can plug him in and iDog plays your tunes. He lights up to your touch and changes colors along with your music. Rock, hip-hop, dance, or punk, iDog moves and grooves to your beat. iDog, little dog, big sound. Batteries and music player not included.
Thanksgiving Sunday. Catch Shrek and an exclusive preview of King Kong.
What large teeth you have!
Thanksgiving Sunday, 7/6 Central on NBC. They call him the Happy Elf.
It's Christmas!
A brand new holiday special with the music of Harry Connick Jr. The Happy Elf, Friday, 8/7 Central on NBC.
Smoking is so 5 minutes ago. Keep up with what's in and keep cigarettes out.
Looking for the perfect gift this holiday season? Maybe new clothes, a bike, or video game.
The perfect gift is easy to find. It's the one that will make a difference for a child who might not otherwise have a present to open this year without your help.
Support the NBC5 Salvation Army Angel Tree.
Shop for your angels at these locations.
And make this holiday season a little brighter for some great kids.
Now there's a new way to shop at your favorite stores and get up to 25% off every time you shop. ConsumerClub.com. ConsumerClub.com is a fast and easy way to shop online and save money at the same great stores you already know. Select from hundreds of online retailers and receive cash back or donate the savings to your favorite charity. Best of all, registration is free. The same stores, special deals, and cash back. ConsumerClub.com. Big savings made easy.
Getting ready to trade in your car?
Yeah, I'm getting a new car, but I'm nervous about the whole trade-in game. I just wish I could avoid it completely. That's one more hassle I don't need.
If you're in the market for a new car but have a car you need to sell, come to CarMax first. We'll make you a cash offer for it on the spot so you have the upper hand. And we'll buy your car even if you don't buy ours. Sell your car to CarMax. CarMax, the way car buying should be.
You're watching NBC5.
How do parrots talk? Hint. Now back to Darcy's Wildlife.
Morning, sleepyhead. Someone's making sure her ears stay warm. morning, Mom.
Well, I think Harper would like to wish you a good morning as well.
Did you let him out of his cage?
Nope.
He let himself out? What a smart little bird. Why, with his lock-picking skills, we could make a fortune as a well-dressed safe-cracking duo.
Well, I'm afraid you'll have to put your glamorous career on hold.
Oh no, Harpo! The parrot book says they chew, so I got him this special toy. See? Looks like earrings Mariah Carey would wear. Why can't you chew celebrity jewelry?
Perhaps you should have gotten drywall-flavored celebrity jewelry. This is pretty torn up. They're just spiders. Don't worry, love.
Although some of these are black widow spiders, so you go right ahead and scream, and I'm going to call the exterminator.
Thanks.
Okay, now you're gonna want with the last hand and put it over there, but. Okay, now you're gonna want them canners in them, and then you can't really with the kids get the chemicals, and then you know and then you want those you gotta go because I gotta with the death cloud, and then if you're not where's the hell you're gonna be inside with the emergency room with that one.
Deuce says he has to fumigate, so we have to be out of the house for 4 hours. Or have the mouse for more powers, but that doesn't make any sense.
Now I want to be careful with it, and I know one's with the breathing, and then really want to skin down with those. And I was thinking, there's nothing in your fridge.
There can't be any animals in the house either, and he wants a snack.
No, this is where but I want to with the. But then I'm gonna have that we need up front.
I understood that. Cash in advance. I'll write you a check.
So, we can't be here, and Harpo can't be here, and I promised Kathy I'd go see her tonight, but I'm afraid Harpo will make a racket. So, will you watch him for me?
Sorry, sweetie. I'll be paying my respects at the funeral for Colt's angelfish.
Help me! Help me!
And that wouldn't be appropriate at all.
I know, it's just that I promised Kathy, and I don't want to let her down.
Well, can't Creature Comforts take care of you?
They're closed, and Dr. Adams is away. He said he could be reached in case of emergency, but Harpo doesn't quite seem like an emergency.
No, he's more of a low-grade disaster area.
Being a parrot owner is about making adjustments. Harpo and I will just make an adjustment. Again, a perfect spot for... You got that right!
Is he changing tires, changing oil, changing lives?
Okay, Harpo, remember, your best behavior. Shh. That's right, inside voices.
Feed me! Feed me!
Sorry, he watches too much TV.
Where do you think you're going?
Oh, to that table over there. And maybe to the restroom. Other than that, I'd just be guessing.
I mean, with the parrot, animals aren't allowed in here.
Oh, you mean my seeing eye parrot?
Seeing eye parrot?
Yes, you see, I have real bad night vision, and in dark places like this, I need old Harpo here to tell me what I'm missing. Not buying, huh? Could he stay if he was part of my open mic night act? We could do a ventriloquist act. This is a really great place, huh, Harpo? You got that right. Still not buying, huh? Yeah, okay.
Now then, I would like to deliver the eulogy. Generously sponsored by Jake's Bait Show. Jake's. Visit once and you'll be hooked. Located off Route 9, mention my name and get 10% off Nightcrawlers. Death. Life. An endless swirling cycle. Kind of like the toilet bowl he could have flushed Clarence down today. Clarence was a special fish. The real question is, was Clarence an angelfish? Or a fish angel? While you ponder that, we will perform the laying of flowers on the casket. Brought to you by Bailey Putt-Putt Golf and Tramporama. The windmill's working again. And now, Victoria Fields will honor Clarence with a dramatic reading before the burial. The grave was dug by shovels from Hanley Hardware. Hanley Hardware for all your shovel needs.
Lovely ceremony. Didn't anticipate the corporate sponsorship, but I respect the effort.
Hey, heartfelt send-off isn't free. That's real smoked salmon over there.
Swim, little fishy. Swim to the great big sea.
Okay, Bull Bear, lift with your legs.
And your fins.
I don't recall Clarence being this heavy.
Swim, little
Where's
fishy.
Clarence?
The ocean.
Where did Gold go? Keep doing that.
Swim, little fishy.
Talk amongst yourselves.
Big sea.
We can't let Kathy down like this. We've got to find a way back in. My lead.
There you are. Why are you here when there's a super classy send-off down by the Fields place?
The thing is, Jack, Clarence, he wasn't a fancy fish. I appreciate all your hard work, but I want to honor the real Clarence. You know what he liked on his birthdays? Well, month days. He liked one frozen pea. Just one. He was a simple fish. And he'd want a simple send-off without all the fuss. If that's okay with you.
Absolutely. Whatever's best for Clarence and you is best for me. I'll give you two a moment.
Clarence, we had some good times together, buddy. Whenever I had to stay inside because I was sick, you're always there by my side. I'd cough and sneeze, and you wouldn't even blink. But I don't think you could. I'm gonna miss you. Goodbye, pal. Don't forget your little diver guy.
Well, Harpo, we tried. You said it.
Darcy! There you are. Is everything okay?
I'm so sorry, Kathy. I know I said I'd be here, but our house has got spiders, and my mom's at a fish funeral, and I had to take care of Harpo, and they won't let me in with him.
Oh, well, that's okay. I just appreciate you tried to show up.
Turns out having a parrot really is a full-time job.
Well, you're doing a really good job taking care of him.
You got that right.
His catchphrase, he said it.
See? You are doing a good job. All your work's paying off.
Thanks, Kath. Say, thanks, Kath. So, we've still got some work to do.
Well, better go back in. I'm up after a guy who's burping take me out to the ball game. Tough act to follow.
Harpo and Darcy.
You got that right, Harpo. You may be a lot of work, but I think you're gonna be worth it.
Hey, Darcy. Where'd you get the parrot?
Long story. Long story, long day.
Got that right. Did you know parrots can mimic several different languages?
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of researchers believe that they may be smarter than cats and dogs. Step up. They have the brain capacity of a 5-year-old child and the emotional development of a 2-year-old.
You seem to know a lot about parrots.
Yeah, well, my dad had one for a long time. He was always talking about what neat animals they were.
Yeah, Harpo's great, but he's a handful. It takes a lot of patience and understanding and he really seems to like you.
Another great thing about parrots? No fur, so I'm not allergic to them. That was a great thing about Clarence, too.
You really miss him, don't you?
Yeah. He was just a fish, but I liked having somebody to take care of.
Why don't you? Why don't you take care of him?
What? No, won't you miss him?
Yeah, I'm really getting attached to the little son of a gun, but I think you need him more than I do.
I can really have him?
Yeah, as long as you promise to let me babysit him whenever he needs looking after, and as long as your parents say it's okay.
You kidding? My dad'll love it. Finally, I can have a pet who talks back to me.
You got that right. Bye, Harpo.
Bye, Dumbo.
Guess I can see Kathy do her stuff. That is gonna be a tough act to follow.
Here's a Darcy's Wild Bite. How do parrots talk?
Stay tuned. On the next Flight 29 Down,
We're all working our butts off. Please.
everyone has their own way of dealing,
Why is Daly giving me such grief?
Taylor, just do some work, okay?
but everyone has to work together.
She won't do her fair share of work, then she won't get her fair share of food and water.
Flight 29 Down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.
Coming up on Endurance Tehachapi on Discovery Kids on NBC. When the going gets tough, the tough go crazy.
This is so fun. It's kind of like surfing. You're not surfing, you're hanging on a pole. Shut up! I'm perfectly fine.
Coming up on Endurance Tehachapi on Discovery Kids on NBC.
Everyone's going wild for the hit game Madagascar. It's the kickinest, roaringest, flyingest, and bounciest way to get from the zoo to a place that's totally new. Madagascar the game, rated everyone 10 and up. And now launching a new game, Operation Penguin, rated everyone.
Victory!
Now only at Toys R Us.
There's magic in the air, just look at Dora's hair.
Will you make my hair más largo?
She's Magic Hair Fairy Tale Dora.
Her hair is short again. I'm a princess. A new hairdo for your adventure? How pretty! So wave the magic wand in your hand.
Her hair is longer or shorter again.
You can get it now, but only at Toys R Us.
Magic Hair Fairy Tale Dora comes with hair accessories and wand.
Look who's dropping in for the holidays. Make your own Frosty the Snowman at Build-A-Bear Workshop and pick up your own Frosty the Snowman DVD.
Everyone's going wild for the hit game Madagascar. It's the kickinest, roaringest, flyingest, and bounciest way to get from the zoo to a place that's totally new. Madagascar the game, rated everyone 10 and up. And now launching a new game, Operation Penguin, rated everyone.
Victory!
Ask an astronaut.
Is it fun in space?
Well, there's a lot of games to play with floating M&Ms and eating them and doing somersaults in space. And since it's weightlessness, you can have a lot of fun with that.
Thank you, astronaut.
How do parrots talk? With their tongue. Unlike other animals, parrots use their tongue to craft sound and talk like a human.
You got that right.
Now back to Darcy's Wildlife.
Are parrots the new hot accessory?
Okay, yeah, I gotta do that again.
See, you are doing good. Sorry, may I please have my line?
Yeah, well, my dad.
Janet, what's the line?
Darcy, not all parrots do that cute. Sorry.
Wait, did you say blast it or relax it? Oh, I thought you said relax it, so I kind of, loosened up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay.
On the next Flight 29 Down,
We're all working our butts off.
Please.
everyone has their own way of dealing,
Why is Daly giving me such grief?
Taylor, just do some work, okay?
but everyone has to work together.
She won't do her fair share of work, then she won't get her fair share of food and water.
Flight 29 Down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.